Hi guys, and welcome back to this week's video. As we said in the previous video, we're going to be turning the M4 into a track car. As you can see here, we've got plenty of parts laid out, ready to go on. Starting from the front, we're going to be fitting big brake kit, AP Pro 5000R calipers. We actually went for the wider ones that accommodate a 25mm pad, so we can use the same pads that go in our TCR car. XBTCC discs and pads to go in, mounted on some Rayland bells and caliper carriers. So we've got adjustable lower arms, adjustable track rod ends, I don't even know what that is. Front tension rods. Basically, this gets rid of any rubber bushes in the front of the car. Do it for the tube! Then onto the wheels and tyres. So we've gone for Protrack One wheels. We've got 18x10 for the front, 18x11 for the rear, with Durezes all round. What are they? Done what? Ohlins suspension. So these are two-way adjustable with rebound and compression, mounted to Millway adjustable top mounts to allow the camber adjustments we require. These are TTXs, these are dedicated track suspension. We've also got Millway rose jointed adjustable drop links for the front. We've gone for a freshly retrimmed Royal steering wheels, Alcantara wheel. Just gone for a plain matte black sun strip, fully adjustable rose jointed rear arms. So we've got on the back of the M4, there's two camber adjustment arms, rose jointed rear toe arms, Ohlins rear suspension. Again, two-way adjustable, rebound and compression. And then to finish off on the rear, we've gone for Ferodo DS111 rear pads on standard calipers. So that's the overview of the parts that we've got ready to go. Over the coming months, we're going to be looking at stuff like diffs and charge coolers and all that kind of stuff. The plan was to make sure that the car stopped and handled how we wanted it to, ready for the coming trip that we've got planned for the Nurburgring at the end of July. So the first part we're going to get fitted to the car is the suspension and all the adjustable arms. Look at it. So that's it for the M4 track build so far. We fitted all the brakes, suspension and all the adjustable lower arms. The rear caliper bleed nipples were seized unfortunately, so I took the rear calipers off. They're going to get refurbed this week, get them mounted up, and then over the next few videos we'll be getting the car on the alignment ramp, fitting seats, harnesses and the roll cage. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for the coming videos of us fitting the rest of the stuff to the M4 track build. And we'll see you in the next one. Still a few farts.
Few farts?